Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer TRX from Uphold to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tron cryptocurrency for trading, staking, or just better management, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Binance. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your TRX holdings. This is usually under the Assets tab. Select TRX to view your balance. Next, initiate a withdrawal. Click on the withdraw option for TRX. You'll need to specify the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Now, here's the key part. You have to use the correct network. TRX typically uses the Tron network, so double-check that in the withdrawal settings to avoid any errors. Over on Binance, log into your account and go to your wallet. Find the deposit section, search for TRX, and copy the deposit address. This address is unique to your Binance account, so don't share it with anyone. Pro tip: always verify that the network matches. Stick with Tron, TRX, to ensure a smooth transfer. Back in Uphold, paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount again, review all the details, and hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the TRX has arrived. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support resources. Don't hesitate to use them. And always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication on both accounts to protect your assets. There you have it. Transferring TRX from Uphold to Binance in 2025 is straightforward with these steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.